Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show or hide dock in Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide or show dock in Mac computer, click on Apple logo on upper left corner and then click on System Preferences, or alternatively you can open System Preferences from dock. Click on System Preferences. Here you will find dock and menu bar. Click on dock and menu bar. Here you will find an option automatically hide and show the dock. Click to enable it. Look, now dock is hidden, and if you move your mouse pointer on dock, it will be shown, and if you move mouse pointer outside of the dock will be hide. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.